So here is a quick guide on how to clip YouTube videos using AI. We'll be using Opus Clip, a tool that can automatically turn long YouTube videos into short viral clips. Click on my link below to try Opus Clip for free. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be brought to this page. On the top here, you will get to see all of these options. And in the main screen, you can put in a video link or upload files. If you click on it, you'll be taken to this page. All you need to do is paste in a YouTube video link right over here and then choose the language for the speech. If you click on it, you will get to see all the options available and also the amount of credits that will be used. And here on the AI clipping section, you can set the clip model, genre, clip length, and also include specific moments that you want. All you need to do is type in your requirement. After that, you need to set the processing time frame. You can set it for the entire video or specific parts of the video. Then, you can choose from quick presets. Over here, you will get multiple options to choose from. Or if you have your own template, you can go to My Templates and use that instead. And once it's set up, just click on Get Clips in one click. And as you can see, the video is now being processed. Once it's done, you can click on it and you'll be able to view all the clips generated from that specific video. You can check them out by clicking on them. Just click on this play button.
And then you will be redirected to this particular page.
And as you can see, the template has been applied as well. Then if you click on any of them, you will get to see all of these options, such as publish on social, export XML, download HD, and more. But for the other options, you will need the Pro plan. And that's it. That is exactly how to clip YouTube videos with AI.